Right guys, today we have a mental challenge where Peter Lane is coming out onto the pitch. So he's normally one of my usual goalkeepers for my normal football videos, but today I'm going to be battling him in a mental woodwork challenge. So we're going for the left post first. Let's go. First time.
On this thing from early, man, I've been doing this from day one.
It's not fat, it's power.
Balotelli, Aguero!
I like it.
So now I've hit the left-hand post. It keeps on going, so he's got to carry on trying to hit the left-hand post, and I'm going on to crossbar and right post.
I got broads in Atlanta, just at the lean the family.
So now I've hit the crossbar and he is still on the left-hand post. What's going on?
I'm putting it down to a bad ankle.
Bad ankle. The wrong one again. Here we go.
Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again.
Mate, what is wrong with you in hitting the crossbar? That's it, game over. Thank you for coming, Peter Lane. So that is the end of the video. I'm victorious. Like, you struggled to hit the first post. I know you're a keeper, injury-prone keeper, but how do you feel you got on with that challenge?
I am very disappointed with my performance. I knew I could do a lot better. I apologise to my family and friends and shall retire effectively immediately.
Well done, Pete. Alright, cheers for coming on. His Twitter will be down in the description if you want to go follow him. Legend of a geezer. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more. Peace.